Okay friends, welcome to another video at Amrita Se Foods. So today we are making cauliflower with it is going to be cheesy cauliflower which is going to be baked. So ये कोई हमारे पास 1 किलो के करीब cauliflower है.
What we've done is we've cut them into florets, and then what we've done is just keep some water, bring it to a boil, add a little salt to it, and then add the florets of the cauliflower in the water. Let it be in there for say about 2-3 minutes. When you feel the cauliflower is soft, just take them out, keep them aside. Now what we are going to do is we are making a white sauce kind of a thing, like a cheesy sauce, white sauce. So we've taken about 200 grams of butter. To give it a Indian touch, we'll add a little garlic and green chili. When you feel the garlic is a little golden brownish kind of, then you can add about a cup of all-purpose flour or maida. So you can see it's coming to a boil. It's slightly becoming golden brown. And if you're making it like a western dish kind of, you do not need to add, there's no need of adding garlic or green chili.
Okay, so that was another tip for the viewers, that we're just giving an Indianized taste to it. That's the reason we've added a little bit of chopped garlic and chopped green chili. So,
and if there are kids in the house and you do not want them to feel that there's chili or it's too hot, so you can just remove the seed of the green chili,
so that we can just get the flavor of it.
Okay, now when you add the all-purpose flour, we start roasting it in butter. It has to become a little brown. Just be sure that after this we'll be adding a little milk to it. Say about half a liter of milk. So when we add milk, the important thing to note is add it slowly. Milk should be added slowly because otherwise it will become too lumpy. It shouldn't become too lumpy.
That's another tip, that when you're adding milk to this to the butter and the all-purpose flour, you need to just put the milk very, very slowly so that it does not become lumpy. And this is a very, very easy dish to make at home, especially during this time, because most of the ingredients that we've used in this are available at home. And even for a person who's not very good with cooking, can try their hands on it, because
it smells so good. I wish we could actually send the fragrance across, but it smells yum.
So this video again we have exclusively we made this for you on Amrita Se Foods. So you can watch other videos also. We are posting a lot of videos so that people have spare time right now and they can try making these recipes at home for their family and loved ones. So we keep trying to post new videos every day, as many as possible, so that you can try new recipes at home.
So basically, जो हमारा हलवा होता है उसके तरह it will become a little brown. That's when you know that you're ready to add milk.
Okay, so we'll wait for this to become little brownish,
goldenish brownish.
So
So if you see, it started turning a little brown.
I'll just zoom in and show you here. See that it's
See?
becoming little brown now.
But just be careful that it does not get burnt.
Burnt.
So just keep an eye and keep stirring it.
And how you will actually come to know that it is becoming little golden brown, you'll see that it will start, ये तवे से छूटना शुरू कर देगा. आप जैसे अगर देखें इधर, जैसे जो हमारी कढ़ाई है, ये कढ़ाई से छूटना शुरू कर देगा. आप देखिए इधर, तो ये हल्के हल्के इसके लम्प्स से बन गए हैं और ये कढ़ाई छोड़ रहा है, इकट्ठा हो रहा है और ये कढ़ाई छोड़ रहा है. तो इससे आपको पता चलता है कि ये अब
getting
ready है कि
It's
इसके अंदर
getting
it is getting ready.
There's still a little more time. We'll make it a little more. We want a slightly darker color to it. The children would love to eat this also.
Yes, so this is another very good recipe.
Cheesy.
You can try for kids.
Recipe, and also what will go along with this very well would be cheese garlic toast. So you can have garlic toast along. It will be very nice to have it along with this. So to make garlic toast at home, it's very simple. You can just take a little garlic, put it in butter, and put it in the microwave for say about 10 to 15 seconds, and that's it. You have your garlic butter ready, and just put
spread it on toast and
toast and enjoy the garlic bread. If you would like to have cheese, so you can add cheese to that, or else these days we get flavored butter also in the market.
Yeah, so
there's
that's another
Amul
good
butter that has started. We've started a range of various
products, and they've come out with a butter which already has garlic in it. So you can always try your hands on with that also. Now if you see, we are adding the milk here. So here we are adding the milk very slowly. And this would be about half a liter of milk.
As of now it's half a cup, but we need at least half a liter to make the sauce. So I'll add it slowly.
So if you see now, I'll just zoom in and show you. See, it is not becoming lumpy. That is the only thing you need to be a little careful of, that it should not be lumpy. Very slowly we are going to keep adding milk in it. You see right here. Zoom and show you again. And you'll have to keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Pardon my throat. So right here. And I think another good tip here is that maybe you can also add a little bit of basil and oregano on it, which would enhance the flavors. So that is another tip. You can use basil, oregano. If you see right here, if you see the consistency, I'll zoom in and show you. See the consistency now.
It can get too lumpy very quick, so this is a very tricky and a part where you have to be very
careful
and aware that you keep stirring it as well. Otherwise, it'll get lumpy.
So if you see here, it's like absolutely.
Like a creamy kind
It's
of a
very, very
consistency.
creamy.
So when we feel that it's ready, what we'll also do is we have grated cheese here that we have with us.
Right here we've got
So what
cheese.
we'll do is half of it we'll be adding it to the white sauce now, and half of it maybe later. So we'll add half of it when we add the white sauce over the cauliflower and we are ready to bake. So basically that we'll use for a garnish kind of. So now I'm going to add half of the cheese that we have here.
And we've kept the other half which we'll be using on top. Once our cauliflower is, we put it in the baking dish, we will be garnishing it on that.
So here's black pepper that I'm adding.
Which gives another very, very nice taste.
And it's
and
really
very good for
immunity
also. So yes, immunity.
And it has its health benefits and it tastes really, really good. So we have a bit of black pepper here. We are adding a little oregano.
This again will enhance the flavor of the cauliflower.
Salt we'll add.
We'll add salt. Here we've got a little basil.
Basil. I'll be adding it.
This is basil. Salt as per taste. And zoom in and show you. See, if you see right here, this is our creamy sauce which is kind of ready now.
And another tip that I'll give you here is you can use the same sauce for white sauce pasta.
Yeah.
If you have pasta ready with you, just boil it and just toss it in and you have your white sauce pasta
ready also. So we'll make another video,
So the same sauce can be used for pasta as well, and your kids would be really happy to see and they'll enjoy the white sauce pasta.
So you can try all the recipes at home, especially the things that you order from the restaurant. Mostly, you can actually make them at home. So see right here, we've added some more milk.
So this was the last bit of milk that I added. And
the creamy sauce is right here. It's ready. If you see
if
the
you
texture
see now, the cheese has started to melt in and blend in with the sauce, and it's already giving a cheesy look to it. If you see, and so we have our dish ready here, the baking dish, which is ready with the cauliflower florets. Basically, we'll just put this white sauce over this and garnish with a little bit of cheese that we have and put it in the oven, and we're good to bake it.
So I am zooming in again to show you that this cauliflower that we have, we've just put it in boiling water just till the point that it becomes soft. We want it to become soft. So right here, now we will go ahead,
preheat the oven.
We are going to preheat the oven at 220.
After we put this dish in the oven, we just need say about 10-15 minutes and it will be baked. The other thing that we can probably check is the cheese on the top would start getting golden. That's when you know your dish is baked and you're ready to go.
So let's just
we're just going to pour this over the cauliflower.
So we're just putting the cauliflower here, and now we're just going to slowly, if you see right here, we'll slowly add this cheesy sauce, on the cauliflower itself. So there you go. There. This is right here. So we've added this cheesy sauce on the cauliflower, if you see right here.
So I'll just even it out, and that's about
So
it.
this is our baking dish. We're using a Pyrex dish. So now we have the leftover cheese which we are talking about. We will go ahead and add that cheese also on top as a garnish. And again, kids would love this because it will be very, very cheesy and has a lot of health benefit also. It is very, very nutritious for kids. So if you see here,
And it's quick. I think
it's quick.
It's not that time consuming to make it.
So there we go. So we are now all set to put the dish in the oven. So this was my video today on how to make cheesy sauce cauliflower at home, exclusively on Amrita Seafoods.
220 degrees for 10-15 minutes and you're set to eat.
And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can now, and just hit the bell icon, and you will receive regular updates from us. Until our next video, stay home, stay healthy, and God bless. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.